Hi everyone! Welcome back sa aking munting garden corner. Today, samahan niyo ako habang naglilinis ako dito sa Ionium area ko. Grabe, after those windy days, para akong may party dito na hindi ako invited. Ang daming dahon, but it's okay, garden life yan, diba? This is honestly one of my favorite spots. Kahit magulo, ang gaganda pa rin ng kulay ng Ioniums. Look at that reds, greens, purples, parang salad na hindi pwedeng kainin. Every time I walk through here, it just makes me happy. Kaya eto, dala ko ang aking blower. Feeling professional gardener tayo ngayon. Pero actually, naglilinis lang talaga ako. I'm just clearing the pathways kasi ang daming debris na naiipon after strong winds. And of course, para less na hiding spots for pests like mealybugs, ayaw natin ng uninvited guests, lalo na yung hindi marunong magbayad ng renta. Joke lang. Anyway, habang naglalakad ako, I'm checking the plants, fixing some pots, making sure everyone's happy. Ito na yung self-care ko. Iba, ang self-care nila is spa. Ako, garden cleaning. Same vibes, mas mura. And honestly, super therapeutic. You know, Ioniums are really showstoppers. Kapag fresh at malinis ang paligid nila, parang mas proud sila tumayo. And after this little cleanup, iba talaga. The whole corner looks alive again. So thank you for joining me today. Sana na-enjoy nyo itong mini garden vlog ko. Don't worry, marami pa akong corners na ipapakita sa inyo next time. Dito sa garden ko, laging may drama, may glow up, at may kalat. Pero lagi rin naman may beauty. Have a beautiful day everyone and happy gardening!